Now turn to page 93. Task 3 from Lesson 20 is another word reading exercise. This word, though, starts with a quick sound, which makes it difficult for most children to blend. First, you're going to sound out this part. Get ready.
At.
Say it fast.
At.
Yes, this word rhymes with at. What does it rhyme with?
At.
Good. Rhyming with at.
Cat.
What word?
Cat.
Yes, cat. Now, I'm going to sound out cat. This arrow tells us that I can't stop under this sound, but the arrow tells us that you have to say the sound for k. All right? My turn to sound out cat. Cat. Your turn to sound out cat. Get ready.
Cat.
Good. Make it sound like this, though. Cat. Your turn.
I can't.
Oh, let's try it. Here we go. Cat. Do it with me. Cat. Again. Cat. Your turn.
Cat.
Say it fast.
Cat.
What word?
Cat.
Yes, good reading. See, you could do it after all, couldn't you?